Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about time sequencers and connectors. Small but very important words that help us show the order of events in English. What are time sequencers and connectors? Time sequencers are words or phrases that show when something happens or in what order it happens. For example, first, then, after that, finally. They help make our speech and writing clear and logical. Examples in order. Let's look at how we can use them in a short story. First, I wake up at 7 a.m. Then, I brushed my teeth. After that, I had breakfast. Finally, I went to school. See, these words make this story easy to follow step by step. Other useful time connectors. Before something happens early. Before I went to bed, I watched TV. After something happens later. After I finished my homework, I went out. While two actions at the same time. I was listening to music while cooking dinner. When shows the moment something happens. When I arrive at the lesson had already. Tips for using them. Always use commas when needed. For example, first we prepared the ingredients. Try to use different connectors so your story sounds natural, not repetitive. In summary, time sequencers and the connectors help us organize our ideas and show time relationships between actions. So next time you tell a story, remember to use words like first, next, then, after that, finally, before, after, and while. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and try to use time sequencers in your own sentences. Bye!
Time sequences. First, I woke up. Next, I brushed my teeth. Then, I had my breakfast. After that, I checked my emails. Finally, I went for a walk.
First, I made a cup of tea. Then, I checked my emails. After that, I went for a walk. Next, I started working on my project. Finally, I watched a movie and relaxed. Like and follow for more videos like this.